Hi friends, we are back with motif number 23 out of this Irish crochet book. The finished piece looks a little bit like this. It's quite a simple little wheel circle with picot stitches attached to it. And that is what the pattern looks like. I am going to link it up in the left as I'm showing you how to make the motif. I'm using a 3.5mm crochet hook and some green yarn that I've got laying around. If this video is helpful for you and you do end up watching it and taking inspiration from it, please do like and comment so that my video can reach other fellow crocheters. Let's get into it. So we're going to go ahead and secure our yarn. I secure my yarn just by twisting it like this, and we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to slip stitch or single crochet into the first chain space like that, and we are going to drop 12 single crochets in this center space here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then we are going to slip stitch into the first chain space there like that. We are now going to go ahead and chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and now we're gonna chain 3 again, but keep your thumb right there. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna make a picot stitch. So in that third chain, go ahead and drop a slip stitch like this. So after we made the picot stitch, we're going to chain 2 and put your thumb right there because we need to make another picot stitch. So chain 3, slip stitch into that same chain space like this, and now we're going to drop a double crochet in the next chain in the base like this. Your work should be looking something like this. Now we are going to go ahead, chain 2, pop your finger there, chain 3, picot stitch by slip stitching like that, double crochet in the next chain space into the base like this, and same thing again, chain 2, pop your finger there, chain 3, picot stitch, and a double crochet into the base. So that is the pattern all the way around for this cute little wheel. So I'm going to carry on going around. I will speed up a little bit, but I will just do one more with you. So we're going to chain 2, chain 3, slip stitch, and double crochet into the base like this. I'm going to go ahead and speed up, and then I'm going to show you what the pattern looks like when complete. So if you're following along, please pause here. To finish up with, we're just going to go ahead, chain 2, and we're going to slip stitch into the first picot stitch that we made. That is the cute little pattern of the wheel. Nice and pretty, really cute little bit of detail. You can stick this onto any pieces, anything that you're making, any beautiful project that you're making. I hope that this video was helpful for you. Please like, comment and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to, but it means the absolute world to me. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day. Bye bye.